Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to transfer your data from a old WhatsApp to a new WhatsApp. Alright, so of course here we have this smartphone. That's a new device, and of course here we have a older device right here. Now of course WhatsApp is on this one. I'm going to transfer it over to the new device. Alright, if you do not know how to back up your chats, I'll show you on the other device. You can skip to that later on in the video. Alright, so we're going to agree and continue. Alright, so here we go. It says enter your number. So you can go ahead and allow notifications. Alright, here it says continue with this particular number. I might have to blur this or enter a new number. So it has detected the number. Alright, so here it has detected the number. You can continue in the background by selecting region and number. Alright, we're going to continue. We're going to hit, make sure the region is correct. Alright, so it says contacts here. Alright, so here we are guys at this screen where of course once you verify the number, it says restore and transfer chats. So of course that's the one that you want. You can transfer from old phone or you can do from last backup. Now you could do the transfer from last phone. Let me do this. But we're gonna restore from backup. I'm gonna hit continue. And here it will download, as you can see here in this case, the files. And it's pretty straightforward guys. Just make sure that you choose the backup when you're going through the process to make sure it's backed up. Depending on the speed of your network, it should vary. But see it says restored messages. What it's doing here guys is just restoring all of your chats. It's decompressing and restoring them. So it will be as if you're on your old phone. Notice it's finished. We're gonna hit next. It's gonna ask you your name. You're gonna hit next. And here it is loading. And as you can see, every chat is being loaded. It's preparing. And everything is restored as if you're on your old phone. So as this restoring guys, it will finish the process. When it's finished to 100%, it should be good. All the chats should be there with names and everything. Now check out the older phone right here. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you on this older phone how to do the backup. All right, so on the older phone, it shows that I've been logged out of the account because I've done the transfer. So I'll have to show you on the newer phone. Sorry about that. All right guys, so this is newer phone. We'll go to settings. And I think if I'm remembering right, that's to do with chats. And here we go, chat backup. All right, so go to chat backup. You'll be here. And the key here is guys, is it's currently downloading. But what you want to do guys is to go ahead and do a backup from in here. Because the restoration is being done, it's not showing the option to backup, but there's going to be an option in here. You're going to tap backup. It's going to show you the size of the file and it's going to do that backup in here. And of course, once you do that backup, what's going to happen is that it's going to back up your file. And it's best to do a backup or just before you do the transfer as I showed earlier in the video, and to restore it on this device. So you'll do it on the older device, then do the restoration on this device as I just showed in the start of the video, and everything will load properly. So right now we're just going to load this to do its thing. Once it's completed, you should have all your files. All right, so I'm in the tutorial here. Do hope you enjoy. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Bye until next time. Bye.